Yay! So Sandy just came back home here in Dubai from the Philippines and ito yung mga pinadala ko. Sobrang thank you, Sandy! And let's start with this one. It's a mug. Dalawa kami ni Kriza na nag-order. And crazy pero cute. It's a boob mug. Super cute. This one as well from Easy & Co. Cosmetics. It's the weightless loose powder talc free in the shade translucent. Okay. And then another one from Easy & Co. This is their active skin tint SPF 35 in the shade fawn. Then I got something from Lux Organics, which is the intensive whitening underarm cream. And hindi ko pa alam kung effective to, so hopefully effective siya. Pampaputi ng kilikili. Okay, and then I got tons from BLK. Okay, so I got the full set of their sun-kissed paint set. Ching! And may free siya na Cocoa Crush Deep Moisture plus Collagen 1 mask. Then I got one gloss tint lang, or gloss gel tint, Golden R from BLK as well. And last but not the least, so this is a book recommended by Ashley Sandrine, Being Comfortable Without Effort. Hey, super nice. Yay, thanks so much, Sandy. Rise and shine, guys. Welcome back to my channel.
My channel.
Hi!
Art.
Hi! Yes, punta kami sa Paluto. Today, it's a biglaang lakad kasi kami ay nagutom. Nagpalinis kami, medyo mahaba. Gutom na kami! Yes, kasi again, we are late! Ano? Late! Late kaya, sabi natin 5:30. Ano oras na tayo?
It's our dinner for tonight.
Yeah, and
Seafood diet.
namumugto pa yung mga mata namin ni Ate D dahil we are from night and natulog kami mga 1. Naglamirda pa kasi kami after night duty, diba? Ang galing.
Sulit.
Yeah, sulit ang day off.
Go! Yay! 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1,
Yay, here's our sinigang na salmon. Here's our calamares. Yay! Sweet and sour hamur.